How to find delete all chat settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find delete all chats settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here we'll find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and click settings, and here we'll find chats, and scroll down until you find chat history, and then just click delete all chats, and here we'll find it. You can turn this one off or on, and then just click delete chats, and it will be deleted. And that's how to find this one. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.